Hello, this is Missouri Disability Attorney Jason Krebs, and in today's video we're going to start a series of videos answering the question that we get on a daily basis, and that is, do I have a good disability case? The first question that we would ask you if you contacted our office is, what's keeping you from working? What's your diagnosis? How much are you treating? What's wrong with you, physically or mentally? You might have a diagnosis, but if you don't have the treatment that goes along with that, you're going to have a very difficult case, certainly in Missouri and Arkansas, where I primarily practice. Depending on what your diagnosis is, what your illness is going to dictate a lot of things about how much medical records you might need. For instance, if you're a younger person, and Social Security looks at anybody under the age of 50 as a younger person, you're going to need a lot of medical records, documentation, consistent claims. If you're claiming what we would call an injury or an illness such as fibromyalgia or mental health, if you're just going to the doctor once or twice a year, maybe once a quarter, you're going to have a pretty difficult case, and it's probably a case that we wouldn't take, quite frankly. Now, if you've got MRIs and blood tests, maybe you're anemic and you only go in and you have blood transfusions a couple of times a year because your blood values are so low and they can measure that, or you have MRIs, X-rays, CT scans that show severe problems with your back or your shoulders or your knees or the like, that may be a little different. It really is going to depend on a lot of the other factors that we're going to go over in some of our other videos. But Social Security Administration loves objective medical evidence. That's blood tests, X-rays, MRIs, that type of thing. They're not, they don't really like the cases in which it's just you going in and subjectively reporting or just saying I'm depressed or my back hurts or whatever, and there's no objective medical evidence to support that. So that's going to be issue number one as to whether you have a strong disability case, is what's your diagnosis, what's your treatment, how much are you treating, and what are they doing for you? How long has this been going on, and how strong is your medical documentation? The medical documentation is very important. So if you don't have a doctor, maybe you have a diagnosis from 8 or 10 years ago, but you haven't been to the doctor, you're probably not going to have a winning case. We've authored a report that you can get by calling our office. I've also have a book that you can get by calling our office or emailing us from our website, krebslawoffice.com, 1-800-345-0535 or 417-883-5886. And if you're in Missouri and Arkansas, we'll send that out to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Best of luck, and thanks for watching. Bye.